Hi, I'm Edwin Yuen, ESG Senior Analyst for Cloud Services and Orchestration, as well as DevOps. And today I'd like to talk about what we expect from the upcoming AWS reInvent show. Now, the reInvent show has really exploded in the past several years, going from a standard size IT show to literally the biggest show in the business, twice as large as the very large VMworld show that we've been used to. So we expect a lot from AWS in terms of their positioning, their future, and their strategy, but also along the lines of their products in two key areas. The first key area we're looking at is what are they doing along the lines of cloud services, especially in things such as serverless or some additional container services, as well as AI. AWS has really taken the lead to making the use of cloud-based services as easy as possible, reducing the amount of infrastructure necessary, although people can continue to grow and build and enable any sort of infrastructure they want on top of AWS. But we're seeing a real push from AWS to have these pre-made, pre-configured, easy-to-use services so that businesses and enterprise and programmers and developers can really take advantage of these services as quickly as possible and not worried about the buildup or the configuration of a lot of infrastructure to make it possible. The second thing that we're really looking at is the area of hybrid cloud. Now, we saw from VMware's VMworld show that there's going to be some additional services from AWS available on-premises running on top of VMware. The question is, are we going to see some additional services get announced? Are we going to see extensions along the lines of something like AWS Snowball Edge, additional compute, or database services that are going to be available? Or are they going to have additional services that are really going to tie the on-premises infrastructure into the off-premises AWS public cloud? So I think what we're going to see is key areas around cloud services and the hybrid cloud, and that's the area that we want to keep the eye on when it comes to the AWS reInvent show.